In this section, we're going to talk about the basics of CRUD in MySQL. Now, CRUD is an acronym. It stands for Create, Read, Update, and Delete. 4 operations that we often will perform on different rows of data. We already know how to create rows of data. We kind of know how to read them using select. We're also going to learn a lot more about select. And then we'll talk about how we can update information. How do we alter a row that already exists? How do we delete rows? We don't know how to do that. We know how to drop an entire table. We know how to create a table, but we don't know how to do all 4 operations for individual rows of data. CRUD. So CRUD is an acronym that is not specific to SQL. We use this term in programming in general. It's not some incredible important term that you need to know, but I also haven't just made it up myself, just so you know. So let's go ahead and recap what we do know. We can create individual rows using insert into, right? We know how to do insert into the cats table, name and age, values, and then we provide a name and an age in that order. That is how we insert. There's nothing fancy about inserting. There's really not much more to it. We saw that we could do a multiple insert and have multiple rows that we insert at once. But other than that, all you need to know is that this order matters, name and then age, name and then age. If you had them reversed, you need to reverse them down here. Now, that's the C part of CRUD, but this section is really going to be focused on the RUD parts, the reading, the updating, and the deleting. So that's where we're going. We've got a lot to learn about all of these operations, but we've got to start with just getting some basic data, getting a clean slate so that me and you are on the same page and we have the same data, therefore the same results when we run the same operations. So that's what we'll do next.